Are you working two jobs? Are you an agent that is working a part-time job and doing real estate business in order to provide for yourself and family? With the shift in the real estate market, caused many realtors to go take a step back from doing it full-time. Good news. In this video, I'm going to share with you why I'm looking forward to more business this quarter coming up in 2023 and how you can have the same results just like me. Stay tuned. Hello, I'm Ben Pie Champagne. I go by Ben Your Agent with Aguilar Realty Group, brokered by EXP Realty. If this is your first time on the channel, I live in Avocado Heights, California. I service the San Gabriel Valley area, but open to working throughout Los Angeles, Orange, and Riverside County. I specialize in new home construction, military relocation, company relocation, and I love helping buyers and sellers. This week has been a juggle with both my real estate business and part-time job. Let me share with you what happened, starting with Sunday, September 18th. I work at the Angel Stadiums from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. So after that, I pretty much didn't do anything the rest of the day. What is my part-time job? Most of you guys are probably wondering. I work for Hyatt Vacation Club. I get people to sign up to do timeshare presentation, and in turn, they get a free vacation and I get paid pretty well. I absolutely love it. This job helps sharpening my people skills, and I am able to also enjoy the event I'm at as well. Monday, September 19th. I'm dedicated to my real estate business. I maximize my day. I keep a 100-point daily success tracker to keep myself accountable. To also share with you my day, I follow up with my past clients and future clients. I had a team meeting with training. I did 2 social media posts, 1 buyer appointment. I checked in with my team leader and did 36 new calls to new prospects. I also booked a buyer consultation appointment. Tuesday, September 20th. I am also dedicated to my real estate business this day as well. I again followed up with my past clients and future clients. I had a team meeting and training. I checked in with my leader. I created and batched 5 new videos with our team videographer to put on our social media channel. I had asked for referrals on my Christian Business Professional Network meeting. Last but not least, I had a great prospecting time and I dialed 117 calls and got 1 buyer consultation appointment out of it, and spoke to 5 of my sphere of influence people as well. Wednesday, September 21st. Although I have worked later on the day, I still did some real estate work. I made 5 calls to new prospects and spoke to 3 people. Those 3 people I added to my email marketing campaign, which, by the way, if you want to be added to my free email campaign, which have great tools and tips, comment below. Around 2 p.m., I shuttled out with my work to San Diego and worked the Padres game. It was so much fun. If you don't follow me yet on Instagram, please do. You can find me under Ben Your Agent. Ben Your Agent. And today, Thursday, September 22nd, I worked at Six Flags Magic Mountain and came home pretty exhausted. Took a short nap and all ready to go again. I made this video for you, whoever's watching. I would appreciate it if you have not subscribed, please do. My next goal is to hit 500 subscribers, 19 more to go, and 15,000 views, 1,208 more to go. I really appreciate all of you who follow me every single week. Can you believe it? I'm 10 videos away to hitting 150 videos. Can't wait for that. Yahweh be praised. With all this activity, do you think I will get more business? By the way, I'm a caring, loving, and serving realtor. If you have a referral for me or have any questions, please message me. My contact info is in the description below. Take care, blessings, and see you on the next video.